Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me Ryan Zulfadli. Now this video I want to explain what is AGRP filtering prefix list out. In this video, this is the fourth video for IT tutorial. And next to explanation. Basic concept AGRP filtering prefix list out. In general, this concept means AGRP, the protocol responsible for transmitting information about network paths or routes, filtering, deciding which routes should or should not be sent to neighboring routers. Prefix list, a very specific and flexible tool for defining filtering criteria, i.e., which network address to filter. Out direction, filtering is applied to routes as they leave this router, heading to neighboring routers. When you apply a prefix list with the out direction to an AGRP connection to router B, we are controlling the list of routes that router B will obtain from router A. Function, hiding or extracting certain routes from neighboring routers. Advantage of using prefix lists for AGRP out filtering. Granular control. Prefix lists allow you to match network address and mask simultaneously, providing much more specific control than standard access lists. Efficiency prevents unwanted routes from flooding the routing tables of neighboring routers, keeping a routing table small and speeding up lookups. Security hide the sensitive internal network segment of the router outside of its trusted area. Okay, next to configuration. Okay, next to configuration. By the way, I use Mobile Extreme for configuration, and the first step, you should configuration AGRP prefix list into the out. Yeah, configure terminal, then hostname router 1, sorry, interface 0/0 12.5/32, sorry, 30, no shutdown, and then router AGRP 10, network 12.1/0/0, and then exit, sorry, to AGRP P10, no auto summary, don't forget. Okay, next to router 2, enable configure terminal, hostname router 2, and then this my interface from router 1 into the router 2, 12.12.2, and then I use /30, don't forget no shutdown, and then this my interface 0/1 router 2 to router 3. The IP address give 23.23.1. I use /30. Don't forget to no shutdown. And then advertise router AGRP network 12.12.2.0.0.0, and then same advertise 23.1 network, and then don't forget to no auto summary, and then exit. Okay, next to router 3, and then create multiple loopback IPs to filter interface 0/0. This my interface into the router 3 from router 2, 23.23.2. I use /30, no shutdown, sorry. The interface loopback 0, IP address 3.3.3, 25, 25. Sorry, not 25, 250, 55, I mean. And the reverse loopback 1, P address 3.3.3.17, 255.250, sorry. Okay, and the next reverse loopback 2, IP address 3.3.3.30, 255.248. Interface loopback for suite 3, IP address 3.3.3.100, I use slash what 255.224. For interface loopback for the IP address 3.3.3.150, 255, 255, 255, 255, 2, oh, 252. Interface loopback 5, IP address 3.3.3.200, 255, 255, 255.240. And then advertise Sutor AGRP, AGRP 10, network 000. This is like IP root for define for all network IP loopback. Then no auto summary. Okay, now open router 1 to check routing table. Do show IP root OSPF. Sorry, to show IP root. Yes. And then this the network 3. And then open router 2 to show IP root. Yes. Yes. Then next to configuration router 2. Configure prefix list filtering on router 2 to remove network 3.3.3.0 with prefix between 24 and 28. P prefix list AGRP, sorry, AP prefix list O underscore in sec 10 deny 3.3.3.0 slash 30 for until 28. Okay, and then until 32 with 0 0 0 not deny, change to permit, and then to the 20 IP prefix list AJRP in sec 30 permit 0.0.0.0 slash no, and then router AJRP 10 distribute list prefix AJRP underscore in. Okay, now the configuration AJRP prefix list out. If you previously used the in prefix, now use out. The goal is to block networks on router 3 with prefix 28 to 30. Also, they are displayed. Delete the previous in prefix list configuration. Router AJRP 10, and then no distribute list prefix prefix agrp underscore in. Then now we're gonna do the show IP root, and then make sure all network already on the routing table. Wait, yes, here is it. Connects to router 3, configure prefix list, filtering out or router 3, IP prefix, agrp, out, sec 10, deny, 3.3.3.0/32, and then GE28 LE 30. Okay. Sorry. Okay, and then next IP prefix list agrp underscore out sec 20 permit 000/0 LA32 router agrp 10 distribute list agrp out. Okay, okay, and then next to router 1, ensure that network 3.3.3.0, which has prefix 28 to 30, look and not in the routing tables of router 1 and router 2. Okay, now to show IP route. Yes, here is it, as you can see. Okay, maybe it is all from my configuration. agrp prefix list out. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.